Wave, nice guy with a cold shoulder. You be cool, but I don't know you. Wrote a flower and I'm off the potion. Give me superpowers and I won't stop.
All right, so as you guys can see, today we're taking a look at the Tronsmart Bang Mini Bluetooth speaker. So the price on here is going to be 89 bucks, and I will put the link down in the description. So after you guys watch the video, if you're interested, make sure you check out that link. Also, towards the end of the video, we'll do our usual sound test so that you guys can get a feel for the type of sound that you can expect from this speaker. So make sure you stay tuned so you can check that out as well. So I've had the speaker for about a week, and I've been putting it through its paces for the last couple of days. And I gotta say, I do like the speaker. As you can see, it's kind of a mid-sized speaker, but still highly portable. It comes in just over 5 pounds, I believe. And as you can see, on the top, you have this nice handle, which makes it super convenient to just grab it and go. If you want to take it with you, you know, whenever you're running errands or going camping or going to the pool or just whatever you got plans to do, you can definitely take this with you. Also on the top, you can see you got your controls, and this allows you to control your music. So you can play and pause, you can adjust your volume, you can change the different lighting effects because it does have 3 different lighting modes that will kind of go to the rhythm of the music. So that's always a nice touch. And then over on the back, you have this protective flap, which houses the different electrical ports. So that's nice because it's going to help keep like lint and dirt and just debris out of those ports. And then also it helps with the waterproofing because this is IPX6 water resistant. So if it happens to get wet, if you're out camping and it starts raining, or if you're by the pool or something like that, you don't have to worry about water affecting the speaker. So on the back, you've got a number of different ports. So you have a USB-A port, which you can use to charge other devices. So the speaker can be used like a power bank. So if you're out enjoying your music and you notice that your phone is about to die, all you got to do, take your charging cable, plug it into the back of the speaker, and it'll give you some emergency juice. You also have an auxiliary port. So if you rather use that as opposed to Bluetooth, you do have that option as well. And then it even has a micro SD card slot. So if you had like some MP3 files that are stored on a micro SD card, you could just pop it right into the back of the speaker and you could listen that way. And then you also have your Type-C port to charge the speaker itself. So in addition to Bluetooth, this is one of the few speakers that I've seen that also supports NFC connection. So between the auxiliary port, the micro SD card slot, the NFC connection, and even the USB Type-A port, because you can even take like a USB thumb drive. And again, if you had MP3 files stored on that drive, you could plug it into the back of the speaker and you could listen that way. So you've got a ton of options as far as listening to your music. So the speaker is running Bluetooth 5.3 and it does support stereo pairing. So if you were to grab 2 of these speakers, you can pair them together to achieve a more powerful sound. As far as battery life, it takes roughly 4 hours to charge the speaker completely. And then on a full charge, you can get around 15 hours of max use. It also features an automatic power off option. So after 30 minutes of inactivity, the speaker will automatically shut off. So that's a nice feature to help preserve your battery life. And then, like I said, the speaker is IPX6 water resistant, so perfectly fine for outdoor use. Now, another feature that I like is that it does have a built-in microphone. So if you're connected to the speaker, listening to some music, and you happen to get a phone call, you don't necessarily have to disconnect from the speaker in order to take and handle the phone call. So it's always nice when speakers include built-in microphones. So as far as the sound, the speaker is using 2 woofers as well as 2 tweeters, and it's going to give you about 50 watts of total output. For the size of the speaker, it definitely gets loud. So whether you're indoors or outdoors, you've got plenty of volume to go around. And I do recommend using the Sound Pulse EQ setting. So it's a button on the speaker that basically livens up the sound. So it adds a little bit more punch to the bass and also brightens up the treble. Now, I'm sure it does impact your battery life, but in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. So overall, I do feel like the speaker is giving you some adequate bass. It's nice and punchy. The treble is nicely balanced as well. But I think the main strong suit here as far as the sound is going to be the volume. This thing definitely gets loud. So let's go ahead and jump into the sound test. Be sure to let me know what you guys think about the overall sound down in the comment section below.
Wave, nice guy with a cold shoulder. You be cool, but I don't know you. Wrote a flower and I'm off the potion. Give me superpowers and I won't stop to the bank roll on supermassive. Big bank for the space chatter. Way up in the squad NASA. Copperfield with the dark magic. Subtle flex when I run a race. Tell these rap buddies eat my dust. Lil baddie after cellular. Talking life and I would set it up. I'm a sharpshooter, yeah, Will Smith. Call me Prince Park, let me freshen up. Nobody do you like I will. I hit it right, I will. I treat you right, I will. Trust me, I got you, baby. Know how to make you feel. They can't do you like I will. They can't do you like I will. Like I will. I treat you right, I will. I treat you right, I will. Trust me, I got you, baby. Know how to make you feel. I treat you right, I will. I treat you right, I will. Trust me, I got you, baby.
Different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy.
So that pretty much covers it for today's video. Again, I will put the link down in the description. Only 89 bucks. To me, well worth the price. You got great sound quality. It's easily portable. You got the ambient lighting to go along with your music. You got the power bank option to charge other devices, the micro SD card slot if that interests you. So there's definitely a lot there to take advantage of at that price point. Again, check out that link if you are interested. And aside from that, I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.